Hello friends, today I am telling you that how we can get maximum votes in beauty contest. First, we should have these decorations. We can search these decorations by using this tape on the decoration and tape on the searching item here. So we have this decoration here. You can check all these decorations by this method, that you should tape on this and then on searching item. Second decoration is here. Next step is that we should have all the pets out of home, and all these pets should have decorated by caps and these things. So, and third thing is that we should have different crops in our farm. For example, we are sowing this crop, and now you can clearly see that we have different crops in our farm. First was we should have decoration, second pets should be decorated, third was crops, and fourth thing is that we should have these maximum machines. We should have these maximum machines and animals. Next is that we should have all these trees. We should have all these trees. Now we are going to apply in beauty contest. Now we are going to apply now. Tap on apply now. Successfully applied. Submit snapshot. Now we are going to submit the snapshot. We are taking the snapshot. Yes, and now we can submit. We are submitting. So that's, you can clearly see that we got these all points, beautiful landscape points, and the next is we should have trees, and next galleries and other things. The next is that landscape points, different types of crops. Next is that machines and level and these things. We should have good level, and now we have got 258 points, so we can got, and we can touch the 6,000 points, and then we can get these RCs. Thanks for watching. Happy farming, friends.